Psalms 41:2. The Lord protects him and keeps him alive. He is called blessed in the land. You do not give him up to the will of his enemy.
Hey wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this braided ponytail. If you guys want to know how I did this, make sure you keep watching. So guys, today I'll be working with Ywigs. They sent me the Boho box braided wrap ponytail, and this is the 18-inch Boho braids, and this is how it looks up close. It also comes with a clip. That's what I'm going to use to attach to my hair. As you guys can see, my hair is already washed and prepped. I did go ahead to section my hair off camera, and I'm going to start with the back. First of all guys, this is my first time braiding my hair upwards. I've never done something like this before. I've never braided my hair upwards, and this was like a big, when I say a big challenge, this was a big challenge. It took me at least an hour trying to figure out how I was gonna braid it all up, because you need to have the technique for this. If you don't have the technique to braid your hair all up, you just can't. And when I tell you guys I was gonna give up, I was literally not going to braid my hair, because I was just like, how am I going to do this? If I show you guys behind the scene, you will be like, yeah, this is not an easy job. But I kept on trying to figure it out, how I was gonna do it, how I was gonna place my hands. And at the end I finally got it. It wasn't easy, but at least I got it and I did it. Even though I know my partings are not the best in this hairstyle, I feel like my parting was all over the place. That's what I think anyways. It's not as neat as I want it, and I feel like maybe the braids it's not as neat as I wanted it. Maybe it's just in my eyes, or maybe it's just the way my scalp is and how my hair is. Sometimes it's so hard to part my hair, but I feel like once I got the braids in place and where I wanted it, I wasn't too fussy, but I kept on taking it out, redoing it, you know, trying to section it just so it can look presentable for this video. I didn't add no extension at the back of my hair. I literally just used my natural hair, because yeah, I haven't gone to that point where I am able to add extensions. I feel like that's a technique I might have to learn for another day. Yeah. But I am so proud of myself that I actually braided my hair up, because that's something that a lot of braiders are not able to do. And I am so happy that I got the opportunity to do it with this hairstyle. When I got to the front, I used a bit of extensions, and this is just because I wanted the front to look, you know, realistic with the ponytail. But yeah, this hairstyle is very straightforward. I'm literally going to be doing the same thing over and over, and you know, just braiding it upwards. In the center of my head, I did go ahead to, you know, do like 2 braids in the middle, just so that I can have enough space when I'm braiding the hair up. Yeah, that's all I did for this hairstyle. Like I said, this is not an easy hairstyle. Like guys, when I tell you guys I almost cried, because I'm just thinking, like, this company sent me this hair and I believed I was going to be able to do it. So if I'm not able to do it, I would just cry. And for me, I just wanted to like challenge myself, because I know I can do the whole, you know, box braids, single plaits, and all the usual that I usually do. But sometimes I do like to challenge myself when it comes to doing my own hair. And this is something that I always used to say that I wanted to do on myself, but just thinking about braiding my hair upwards, yeah, I never got the chance to do it. And I feel like the size that I did is just perfect for the ponytail. because it's like a medium box braids, so, and it's not really too full, so I didn't feel the need to do too many braids. And obviously I had to remember that everyone has a different head shape, everyone has a different hair texture, you know, depending on how full your hair is, it's how you're gonna work with your hair. And this is the best way I could work with my hair. And also what I did was to take out some of my baby hair, because you guys already know I don't have edges or baby hair to save my life. So I just had to leave some, just to obviously give it that natural look as well. Once you finish, you can, you know, style your baby hair so it gives it that natural look. Usually when I braid hair, I never put extension in the beginning of the braids. I prefer to braid it halfway then add extensions, because that just gives it more of a natural look. Usually if you do go ahead and start with expression, I feel like as time go by it will start to like it will start to lift, and you don't want that, because that can also break your hair and damage your hair. So I usually just start with my natural hair, halfway add extension. And like I said, for this hairstyle I only added at the front. If you get your hair done by someone else, or you feel like you want to add hair at the back, you can go ahead and do that. Just because I didn't add at the back doesn't mean you shouldn't add at the back when you do, you know, this hairstyle. Or if you would like to do this hairstyle, yeah, you can add extensions at the back as well, and add extensions at the front if you would like that. So I am coming towards the end of the braiding part. This is a very straightforward hairstyle. There's nothing much to say, rather than once you know how to braid, then this tutorial should be helpful. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the fact that I actually showed you guys that I braided the back myself because I actually wanted you guys to see that, you know, I did the back myself. So there was no way I was gonna skip that part and just go to the front, because I could have done that, but I really wanted to show you guys that, you know, I also did the back myself. So I started to do this hairstyle like around 10 something, I believe, and I didn't finish till like 6 in the evening. Like I said, just because it was, you know, it was very hard to get the back. Let me just be real with you guys, it was very hard to get the back. So it did take me a couple of hours just trying to figure it out, and then finally got the hang of it. And yeah, so it did take me some time to do, and you guys already know it's not easy to part your own hair. And I know this is not the best or the neatest parting, but at least it got the job done. Yeah, and I don't know if you guys also know, one side of my hair is way more fuller than the other side. On this side that I'm braiding right now, I have more, you know, baby hair on that side, and my front hair is more fuller than the other side. That's why the other side, the beginning of the braids looks so thin, because I don't have much hair on that side. Whereas on the other side I'm braiding right now, I have more hair, so it looks a bit more thicker. So if you guys can see the difference, that's why. And obviously I wanted it to be the same number, hence why I didn't do it any smaller. But yeah, so I am on the last part right now. I am literally doing this voiceover at 3 a.m. in the morning. If I sound tired, that's why, 3 a.m. in the morning. But this is the Ken rolls done. I am so happy with the end result of the Ken rolls. I'm just gonna go ahead and just hold this into one ponytail, and then I'm just gonna wrap it all around. So once I finish wrapping my hair into like a mini bun, I just take the clip and I place that in the center of the bun, and I make sure I push it in just to secure that ponytail. And then I'm gonna take the 2 extra piece to wrap around the ponytail just to give it more of a realistic ponytail. That's why you have those 2 piece of, you know, braids for you to wrap it around. And there's like a sticky thing as well that you just stick on the ponytail to, you know, secure the hair. And I'm just going ahead to just wrap this around. As you guys can see, it's hiding the base of the ponytail and it's giving natural, it's giving realistic, babe. But yeah, now I just go ahead to do my edges. I mean, just styling my baby hair, something natural and simple, nothing much, just try to make it look cute. That's all I do for this part. As you guys can see, it's giving. And yeah, and I'll go ahead to, you know, oil my scalp, and then I'm going to go ahead to tie my baby hair down, just to make sure it stays. And then I'm using the olive oil mousse, you know, to define the curls on the Boho braids. You can sometimes use water as well, but I guess mousse is enough for this ponytail. And I just go ahead to just apply that everywhere. So once I finish placing the mousse, I just go ahead to use the sheen spray just to add some shine on the hair, and I just spray this everywhere. And also, I forgot to mention, you can actually use a bobby pin just to secure the 2 braids that you wrapped around even more. I didn't really use the bobby pin for this video because yeah, it wasn't needed. But if you're gonna keep this hairstyle for a while, then you should. But yeah guys, this is the final look. I am so happy with the end result of this hairstyle. I loved how my makeup turned out as well. Let me know what you guys think in a comment below. Please don't forget to turn on your notification bell to get notified for whenever I do post a new video. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you to everyone that has subscribed to my channel lately. I really do appreciate you guys. I'm going to put all the details down below for this hair, and if you guys want to purchase this hair, let me know if you guys, you know, love this video and love the whole look. Thank you guys for watching this video, and thank you Ywigs for sponsoring this video, and I will see you all in another video. Bye.